1,000 flags exhale, the cold counts down on every closing rail. Wembley breathes, the night turns to gold, and something older than us is about to be told.
The sky was built for us to claim. Every header a vow, every cross a flame. Watch the air ignite where the ball is thrown. When the lions rise, the ground becomes a throne. Every challenge met, never faced alone. We don't speak our strength, we let it show. The silence on this stand is the loudest thing we know.
Feel the ground shake, feel the floodlights burn, feel the lions calling, there's no turn. 1, 2, 3, rock!
Three lions burning, the sky is ours, every heart is turning. We are the This was never about the name we wear. 100 years of hearts beating somewhere. Not for the trophy, not for the crown, for every soul who never once sat down. Three lions, unbroken. We own the sky. Three lions, awoken. No ground denied. Three lions, burning. The sky is ours. Every heart is turning. We are the roar. One heart, one dream.
We rise together!
This isn't England, not Brazil, not Germany. This belongs to all of us. Three lions rising.
Three lions! Three lions! Rising! The streets grow still, 1,000 flags awake. Every heartbeat counts with every breath we take. Wembley calls beneath the lights, all dreams shining bright. Tonight isn't written, it's ours to earn. Every cross finds fearless hearts, every header's belief. When we rise together, the whole ground finds its voice. Stand your ground, hold the line, every moment, every climb. 3 shirt. More than 90 minutes, more than a game. For every child dreaming tonight, for every voice still singing after midnight, for every heart that never stopped believing, we carry them with us